If you want to preview a Lucidchart template before opening it or preview your document before exporting, this video is going to walk you through both methods step by step. Whether you're trying to save time, avoid opening the wrong template, or just want to check how your diagram will look before you download it, Lucidchart gives you a few simple ways to do that. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's look at how to preview a template before you open it. This is really helpful when you're browsing through different diagram styles and want to see what a template looks like before committing to it. Start by going to your Documents page in Lucidchart. Once you're there, click the New button. After that, hover over Lucidchart and choose Create from Template. This opens the template browser where you can explore a wide range of options. You might see categories like flowcharts, mind maps, org charts, wireframes, and more. If you don't see the exact type of template you want right away, click View All to browse the full collection. Now comes the preview part. Once you find a template that looks interesting, click once on its thumbnail. Don't worry, this does not immediately open the template into an editable document. Instead, Lucidchart will show you a pop-up preview window. This preview gives you a larger view of the template along with a short description so you can quickly understand what it's designed for. This is a great way to compare templates side by side in your mind before choosing the one that best fits your project. If you're working on a flowchart, for example, you can preview different styles and layouts before selecting the one that looks most useful. That way, you save time and avoid opening templates you don't actually need. Now let's move on to the second method, which is previewing your Lucidchart document before exporting it. This is especially useful if you want to check how your diagram will look as a PDF or image file. To do this, open the Lucidchart document you want to export. Once your document is open, go to the top left corner and click the menu icon with the three horizontal lines. From there, choose Export. Lucidchart will then ask you to pick a format. Select the file type you want, such as PDF or an image format. After you choose the format, a large download settings screen will appear. This screen is more than just export options. The center of it acts like a live preview canvas. That means you can see your document content displayed in a way that helps you confirm the layout before downloading. Take a moment to inspect the preview carefully. Check that everything is positioned correctly, that your text is readable, and that none of the important shapes or connectors are cut off. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust your document before exporting again. This is one of the best ways to make sure your final file looks polished and professional. So to recap, if you want to preview a Lucidchart template before using it, go to Documents, click New, hover over Lucidchart, choose Create from Template, browse the categories, and click a thumbnail to open the preview window. And if you want to preview your own document before downloading it, open the file, go to the menu, choose Export, select your format, and use the live preview canvas on the export screen. These two preview methods can save you a lot of time and help you make better choices before you commit to a template or export a final file. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Lucidchart tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.